A U.S. court has upheld a ruling forcing Phoenix pet stores to sell only rescue animals, which is certainly good news for the cats and dogs in that area. Phoenix City Council passed the original decision back in late 2013. About a year later, in July of 2014, Frank and Vicky Mineo, owners of Puppies in Love, filed a federal suit against the city, arguing that the ruling violated state and federal commerce laws, which would force them out of business. They are the only pet store in Phoenix that exclusively sells animals from regulated breeders. They argued that they would not be able to continue under that law and that it wasn't a puppy mill that they were dealing with, it was regulated breeders, but most of the stores in Phoenix can't claim the same thing. And thankfully, after more than a year of deliberations, U.S. District Judge David G. Campbell has upheld the decision. So that will be law for Phoenix. Only rescue animals will be able to be sold in Phoenix pet stores, not puppy mill dogs and cats. Now, you should bear in mind, of course, that more than 7,400 dogs and 900 cats were euthanized in just a year at the taxpayer-funded Maricopa County Animal Care and Control. That is just one area, and that gives you an idea of how many cats and dogs we're talking about nationwide. Now, why does this matter? Well, it matters because if puppy mills are supplying the dogs and, in many ways, the cats for these stores, then more and more shelter animals are going to end up being euthanized. Under the new law, they will find a home and there will be less animal suffering overall. And by the way, Phoenix now joins 59 other American cities that implement a similar policy to increase rescue adoptions. So look, this now makes 60 cities. Perhaps next year it can be 100 or even larger. Maybe someday it can be law across all of the United States. And when it comes to animals, we may not be ready as a species to be as empathic, as just, as equitable as perhaps on some level we know we should be. But that doesn't mean that we can't eliminate the most cruel and egregious forms of animal suffering when we have the chance. This is one step in that direction, and that's my final judgment.